Injector buzz test on a Civic Lightspeed Power Stroke and an E350. I'm speaking here in the beginning so you can hear the relative volume of the injectors. Again, for voice comparison.